So with these average questions, you can approach them with the average formula, or sometimes you can approach it another way. One way to look at it is that the restaurant was doing, let's just pretend that it was actually doing exactly the average amount each day. So it was doing some 75s for a while. We don't actually know how many. Let's say were they doing that many. And then one day, all of a sudden, they did 120 in one day, raising the average to 90. So this one day was 30 over their new average. In order for that to be their average, this 30 needs to be distributed over previous days evenly. And we have to figure out how many days it was going at 75, at the average of 75, to get the new average to be 90. So it turns out that, so then we need to divide 30 evenly over however many days we're going to do it. If we put 30 all on the day before, if there were only one day at 75, this ends up being 105, and that's not right. If we put 30 evenly over 2 days, plus 15 here and plus 15 here, let's get rid of that 105, actually that ends up with an new average of 90 for each of those 2 days. So it was actually only 2 days that it was going at 75, at an average of 75 each day. That third day at 120 brought the average up to 90, and so x equals 2. There were 2 days at 75 and 1 day at 120 for the average of 90. Answer choice A.